In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps in Akaunting without paying. If you want to extend what your accounting system can do without adding costs, the built-in app marketplace makes it simple. We'll walk through the exact path to find only the free options and get one installed in just a moment. First, log into your Akaunting account and land on your dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct company if you manage more than one, and that your user role has permission to install apps. A quick tip: installing apps usually requires administrator access, so if you can't see the marketplace later, that's likely why. Next, open the Apps section. You'll find it in the main menu on the left. Selecting it brings up the marketplace where all extensions live. This page shows featured items, categories, and a search bar, but we're going to focus strictly on what you can get for free. Now scroll down until you reach the free area. Depending on your screen size, it might appear as a free category, a row labeled free, or items clearly marked with a free badge. The key is to verify the price shows free and there's no subscription note. Taking a second to confirm that label ensures you won't be prompted for payment later. From here, pick a free app that fits your needs. Click its card to open the details page. This is a good moment to read the description, skim the feature list, and check compatibility with your current Akaunting version. Reviews and screenshots can help you understand what the app adds and whether it's actively maintained. If you rely on backups or custom modules, make sure the app won't conflict by reviewing the notes on that page. When you're confident it's right for you, click Install. Akaunting will handle the rest. You may see a short progress indicator, and then the button will change to Installed. No credit card, no checkout, just a straightforward add-on. After installation completes, the app will appear in your apps list and become available inside your account, ready to use according to its description. That's it. Log in, go to Apps, scroll to Free, choose a free app, and click Install. You can repeat the process for any other free tools you want to try. If anything doesn't show up right away, refreshing your browser or revisiting the apps page usually updates the status. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing accounting with free apps without spending a cent.